Hey guys, IV River Tables here. We just wanted to kind of capture this. We started this cookie here with a teal translucent epoxy on the bottom, and you can't really tell, but it's only about half full right now, and we thought that maybe it was missing something. So we figured what better time to add a bunch of shark's teeth that we collected over the last summer. And we have about 3 or 4 baggies full of these guys. So we kind of plan on adding them in the middle and adding a translucent on the top to where it looks like glass. So what do you guys think? Let us know. And we'd love to hear your feedback. By the way, we're about to open in Callaway, Maryland. So keep a lookout for when we open our doors. And don't forget to like, share, and follow us. See ya.